Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances? Meet the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. This compact powerhouse brings 8-in-1 cooking convenience directly to your countertop. This air fryer toaster oven is perfect for families or gatherings. Its large capacity can toast 6 slices of bread or bake a 12-inch pizza. You can even air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings or roast a 4-pound chicken. Imagine the ease of air frying French fries, baking cookies, and warming leftovers, all with one appliance. The air fryer includes various functionalities, such as convection bake, broil, grill, and warming features to suit all your cooking needs. One standout feature is the dual-sided grill and griddle plate. Cook seared steaks and veggies on one side while preparing breakfast on the other. This versatility elevates your cooking experience. The adjustable temperature dial ranges from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring every meal is perfectly cooked. The 60-minute timer and auto shut-off add a layer of safety and convenience. Thanks to Air Advantage technology, optimized hot airflow offers fast, crispy results. Enjoy the flavor and texture that will elevate your meals. Cleanup is a breeze with the stainless steel Easy Clean interior. The package includes essential accessories like an oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and reversible griddle. Don't miss out on this game-changing appliance. Click the product link in the description below for fast delivery across all 50 US states. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best content. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your love inspires us to continue providing valuable reviews and deals weekly. Thank you for being part of our community.